Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? Hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our channel Smart Collections Plus. In this video, we showcase a adorable collection of sleeveless frocks for baby girls, designed for both comfortable and style. From soft pastels to vibrant colors, each frock is crafted with high-quality breathable fabric, making it perfect for sunny days and special events. Watch as we highlight different styles including floral prints, ruffled details, and bow accents that add a cute and playful touch. Whether you're looking for something for a birthday, a family gathering, or social day out, this collection has something for every little fashionista. Give a thumbs up if you love those cute frocks, and don't forget to subscribe to Smart Collections Plus for more baby clothes, ideas, and fashion tips.